Hello and welcome to our video on solving equations with x in the denominator. Here's an example of an equation, 24 over x equals 2, and we're trying to solve it to find the value of x. Now it's a bit tricky, we can't really do, the x is in the denominator and we can't really do too much with it. So the first thing we need to do is actually get it out of the denominator. And the best way to do that, remember a fraction line means divide, so this is divide by x. So the opposite of divide by is times x, and we need to times x by both sides. So we get 24 equals 2x. These are, they're not like terms, so we're not adding them anyway, but we just multiply them together. And once we've got it in this form, we can easily see we've got a 2 that we need to remove, so divide by 2 to both sides, and we get 12 equals x, which is the same as writing x equals 12. Here are 6 more examples. I'd like you to pause your video and have a go at doing them yourself. Pause now. Okay, each one of these has an x in the denominator, so the first thing we're going to do is multiply by x, and we'll get 6 equals 3x. Then we can divide by 3, x equals 2. Times x again, make sure you keep the negative with the 12, divide by 3, and we get negative 4 equals x. Times x, you might be up to doing this all in one go. Divide by 2, and you get 15 on 2 equals x, x equals 15 on 2. Okay to leave that as a fraction. Quick line between our problems. Last 3, these ones are getting a little bit more complex. If we said this one out loud, 7 on 2x minus 1. The last thing we say is the minus 1, so we can get rid of that first. Plus 1 to both sides. 7 on 2x equals 14. Now we've got 2x down the bottom, so we're going to multiply by that. Don't know why I wrote 7 times 2x times 2x, because then we'll get rid of the whole denominator. 7 equals 14 times 2x, 28x. Divide by 28. And we get 1/4 equals x. This one, say it out loud, 6 over x plus 5 equals 8. Last thing you say is the plus 5, minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, times x. 6 equals 3x, divide 3, 2 equals x, x equals 2. 11 on x plus 7, minus 7, Negative 4 minus 7 is negative 11. Multiply this x across. 11 equals negative 11x. Divide this time by negative 11. And we get negative 1 equals x. Thanks for watching the video.